Question 26. In the addition problem shown, A, B, and C represent 3 different digits. What is the 3-digit sum? Key there is that they're different, and because we're looking at this here, we are looking at integers. This doesn't mean A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This means A is the hundreds digit, B is the tens digit, and C is the ones digit. Now, I'm not a fan of these questions, but this one worked for me. I'm looking down this column here. C plus B needs to equal something. Now, C plus B could equal A, but actually we've got A plus A going on here to get a C, and it doesn't actually work. So I'm going to look at it that we've got to carry a 1 over. Oh, the reason it doesn't work, actually, the reason it doesn't work is because we also need to do B plus C plus the carry on equals B. B cannot equal B on its own. It has to be at a 10. And if you've got the carry, that happens as well. So take my word for it, we need to have a carry both going from this column to this column of 1, and we need to have a carry going from this one to this one of 1. So if we work those through, we've got a B, we've got a C. So here, actually the B cancels out. So we can subtract, we can collect the like terms. B subtracts from both sides, which gives us C plus 1 equals 10, and therefore C equals 9. So we know that C equals 9. So if we put it into our equation here, we've got 3 digits, which we are adding to 3 digits, and this one and this one need to be the same. We know that C is 9, so I'm going to put that straight in. And this one is A, this one is A, and this one is A. A there. B here. Okay, so we know that this has to be a 9. So what we've got going on here, we know that that's 9. So 9 plus something equals A plus 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this back into this equation. But first of all, I'm going to simplify this. So 1 here, B plus C plus 1 equals... that's not going to work, is it? We're actually looking at this column here next. So A plus A equals 9, but actually we know it's a carry on, so it's not A plus A, it's actually A plus A plus 1 equals 9. I mean, it might have been A plus A, but because what we've done is A plus A, we can't have an integer that is odd. So therefore we have to have a carryover. We're only using single digits. It's only going to carry a 1 over. So we've got 2A equals 8. A equals, divide both sides by 2, gives us 4. So now we've got A, we've got C here, we've got A here. And so now we can substitute that back into this one up here. We've got 9 plus B is the thing we don't know, equals 4 plus 10. So B equals 14, subtract 9, which equals 5. So therefore what we are looking at is this number across the bottom here is CBA. So CBA is 9, B is 5, and A is 4. So the answer is 954. I was a bit muddled. I was looking at my working and trying to put it down on the paper for you. This is that key bit to realise that we've got to carry 1 over here. And again, we can guess it, we can put it in. It doesn't work unless we have carries both here and here to be able to get the numbers that we get out here.